of the times are very clear. The coming of the Lord is very near. The signs of His coming multiply. Look up, His coming draweth nigh. And when we hear the trumpet sound, rejoicing will rise. When we hear the trumpet sound, we'll meet in the sky. For the Lord will come, will surely come down. When we hear the trumpet sound, this generation might not pass away before the glorious dawning of that day, until we hear that great triumphant cry. Look up, He's coming in the sky, in the sky. That's when we hear the trumpet sound, rejoicing will rise. When we hear the trumpet sound, we'll meet in the sky. For the Lord will come, will surely come down. When we hear the trumpet